In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect BullX to Nova. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you'll have to have a BullX account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out, and via my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, of course, when you create your account, you will have to connect it to Telegram and all that good stuff. It's very easy to do. Just follow the instructions that will be on your screen. From there, we're then going to go over here to this Nova website, which is called click.tradeonnova.io. So make sure you go to this website. And from here, you want to click on download for Chrome, which will basically enable you to get the Chrome extension over here in the Chrome Web Store. So just click add to Chrome, and then click add extension and wait for a few seconds for this to add. There we go, that's now it. So you can then just close out this Chrome Web Store and click connect Telegram on this previous website, so the official Nova website. Once you click connect Telegram, as you can see, you can click start bot in case you have your Telegram downloaded as an app on your computer, but if you only use the web version like me, you can click open in web, and there we go. Now on the Nova bot, you want to click start, so /start, or tap on start over here top right. But if you get this error I got just now, which says main bot is currently under maintenance, you just want to go inside of one of these two bots. It gives you as an option. I'm going to go to bot 2, and there we go. Now from here, what you then have to do is actually quite simple. So you just have to go over here, hover over this button and click on menu, and from here you want to click on wallets. Then if you don't have a wallet, you want to create one by clicking over here, but if you do, that's great, and then you want to click export private key. Now over here, you then have to select the wallet you would like to export. For me, it's wallet 1, so W1. You can click on that, and then you'll be able to see your private key. I'm not going to reveal it right now, of course, but it will show you your key, and of course, you don't have to reveal it as well because it's a private key. You shouldn't share with anyone but yourself, and then you want to click on it like this, and it will copy to your clipboard. From here, we're then going to continue, but just before that, we're going to check one more thing. So just go back over here, and then back to menu, and inside menu, click on settings, click on Nova Click over here, bottom right, and make sure this is green. Where it says use panel settings, make sure it's green. If it's not, if it's like this, click it again to make it green and enable it. And that's it for now. So then just go to BullX, and inside BullX, once you have your private key copied, you want to simply go over here on the left, and then you want to go inside Wallet Manager, which is over here. Now, inside Wallet Manager, what you want to do is you want to get a wallet. And the way you do this is basically you will have to add a wallet in, okay? So you want to click New Wallet over here. If it just allows you to create a wallet like this over here, and if it doesn't actually allow you to basically import a wallet, you can try clicking over here, and if you don't get an option to enter in your private key because they changed some things and now sometimes you can do it, what you have to do is basically you just don't have to add this wallet in here because it will work automatically without you doing that. So you can just basically go to BullX over here to the trading platform, click up here top right where you can see this extensions puzzle, make sure you pin this Nova extension over here, and then click on it. Once it's pinned, simply click on it to enable it. It will refresh BullX just like this, and then from here you can set your presets. I'm not going to show you how to do this because I'm not a financial advisor. You can do this according to yourself, to your own needs and to your own research, and then after it you can just save this and then enable the Nova panel and start using it in here inside BullX. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.